Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drive pulley kit in the Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a number 2 square bit screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, an extension screwdriver, a 6mm hex wrench, a 17mm socket wrench, and a heat gun. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drive pulley kit. The drive pulley in this washer sits on the inner basket shaft and is connected to the motor by the drive belt. When the drive pulley wears out, it starts wobbling, causing the drive belt to come off. If that is the case, it should be checked and replaced if needed. Let's get to the back of the washer and using the number 2 square bead, loosen up the bottom screw. Then we can remove the rest of the screws that holds the access panel. And now we can just lift it off. To remove the belt, we'll just pull it and turn the pulley. So it comes off completely from the drive motor pulley and from the drive pulley. Use any kind of a tool to increase the length of the lever. I'm using the universal screwdriver holder. Jam the drive pulley with a flat blade screwdriver and using the 6mm hex head wrench, try to unscrew the bolt, turning it counterclockwise, and remove the drive pulley. Well, we'll have to use a heat gun. Turn the heat gun to the maximum temperature and put it real close to the bolt and heat it for a few minutes. 3 minutes, 4 minutes maybe, to make sure that the thread lock solution is broken. Alright, and now is a second attempt. We're going to jam the pulley. You see? You can either turn the pulley or you can turn the bolt. Still may be hot, so be careful. Alright, that's it. It's out. Now we can pull the drive pulley off. Rock it side to side. And now it's off. This is the old drive pulley kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Match the cutout in the drive pulley and the shape of the shaft and slide it on. Use the mounting bolt supplied in the kit to secure the new pulley. Turn the bolt manually for a few turns and then using the 17mm socket wrench and the flat blade screwdriver, tighten it. And now we're going to install the belt. Put it first on the motor pulley and then put it on the drive pulley. Hold it with both hands and turn the pulley, and the belt will get on by itself. Be careful, don't let it go, it will pinch your fingers. So now turn the drum both directions, make sure that the belt is on correctly. Now we're going to put back the access panel. All right, let's install the panel onto the bottom screw. And now we can put the rest of the screws. I'm using the same number 2 square bit screwdriver. And now we can tighten the bottom screw. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.